Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to check out the LMDE 7 beta that has been rolled out a few days back. So I have logged in into the Linux Mint LMDE, that is the Linux Mint Debian edition 7, and it is the latest release based on the Debian Trixie release that was done a few months back. And to start with, it contains all the features that were released in the Linux Mint Zara 22.2 release that was also done recently. So it contains one-to-one almost all the feature updates that were introduced in the Linux Mint Zara release, and it has been now released for the Debian edition, that is the LMDE 7 edition. Only difference is the Linux base is different. Zara will use the Ubuntu base and LMDE 7 will use the Debian Trixie base. That's it. Otherwise, almost all features are same. Only few applications of the Zara are not available in LMDE 7, and few of the features won't be available. That's it. So let us check out what are the new features available. Here you can see the blackness of the panel. It is now changed. There is more blue added. You can perceive it. If you want, you can check out the older installations of Linux Mint 22 or 22.1 and compare the blackness here of the panel and this application menu. Then you will understand. Then you can see the right side edge of the panel. There is this you can say show the desktop, small space is there where you can minimize all the windows, so that is there. Then I will show you now. In the LMDE 7, you can install the multimedia codecs like this, which is same as in your Linux Mint Zara or Linux Mint Ubuntu based Linux Mint. Update manager is there. So if you launch the update manager, so first time it will do some installation. First it will update itself, and there will be some updates available normally. Now here you won't find the kernel updater. So in Linux Mint 22 or any of the Linux Mint based on Ubuntu base, you will have a kernel, view kernel, and you can install kernels, update the kernels, and view whatever kernels are available from the Ubuntu base. But here in Debian it is still not available, and in this LMDE 7 also it is still not available. So keep this in mind. Rest everything, system snapshots, software sources, you can change. Everything is possible here, except you cannot install kernels using the update manager. So you can also do the system snapshots here. I will just show you one by one. So you can use this system snapshot taker to take a backup of your system that is available. Now I have opened up the features of the Linux Mint 22.2 sticky notes. So let us open if sticky notes is there. Yes, sticky notes is there. Let us see whether, yes, you can see the top edges are rounded just like in Linux Mint 22.2. Done. So we have checked this feature, and a new debus method was added to reload the nodes. Okay. Yes. So when multiple nodes are there, so what I will do is we will open multiple nodes. I will type something and save this node, and I am going to save this. Okay. Now I am going to add another node. Done. So it is added here. But I think it is all the four corners are rounded. Let us see. No, here you can see, or maybe I will add another. Yes. Done. Yes. So here the difference you can see is in the Ubuntu based Linux Mint, all the four corners are rounded, but I don't see the rounded corners here in the notes application. So this is a difference, but the top corners are rounded. Okay, so I'm going to close everything. Done. Okay, next feature, login screen. So this I have checked, it is working, but I cannot show you because if I log out, then there will be issue because I am logged in the system itself. So I cannot log out right now. So these features, everything is available. I have checked it out. The blur works, everything is okay. Now, what are the additional features that are available? So the kernel has been updated. So I will just show you. You can see the latest 6.12 kernel is available. So this is the quite updated kernel from the Debian repos 6.12, and also you can install other kernels also. For that you have to use the sudo apt search Linux image. So that will show you all the different kernels. So here you can see RT kernel is also available. 6.16 kernel is also available. So lot many kernel options are available. You can install it. I think 6.16 will enable the hardware support for many newer devices, newer laptops and desktops that are released in the current year also. So 6.16 will support that. So better is you should go with the 6.16. And other big advantage of using the latest kernels is in latest kernels the latencies have been improved, and you will get a very snappy desktop if you install the latest kernel. So latest kernels are also available. Generic images there, RT kernels, and there will be many more other kernels also available. So that we'll have to search. This is done. Now I will show you system information. So that will show us everything. So the Cinnamon version is 6.4.12. So this is the latest Cinnamon version that is same available in the Linux Mint 22.2, which is based on Ubuntu. The same Linux Cinnamon version is available here. You can see here this is the LMDE 7 Digi version. That is done. And yes, software manager. I will just show you. The software manager is also the latest one that is available in the Linux Mint 22.2 Zara. Same software manager is here. It is more snappy and more good looking, and the arrangement of software is better than the earlier versions of Linux Mint. It will take a moment. I will just show you. Now let us open settings. I just want to show you what is available. Let us check out the themes, which themes are available. Themes should be available, latest themes. Yes, so here all the themes, you can see here the accent colors, the styles, everything what is available in the Linux Mint 22.2 is available here in the LMDE 7. Let us check out the advanced settings. So here you can see the different icons, themes are available. Lot many are there. So that way it is matching the Linux Mint 22.2. Look here, everything is there. Applications also you can see, looks everything is there, whatever you require, and whatever is available in the Linux Mint 22.2 Ubuntu based edition, same is available here. And the desktop theme, yes, everything is available. Yes, now you can see the software manager. So looks very neat and clean. Everything is arranged neatly and it is snappy also. It is better software manager than what is available in the Ubuntu. Ubuntu, the software manager and the Snap Store, that is the Snap Store is very slow, very slow. Snaps have improved. The applications which are distributed as snaps have improved their performance. They are not now laggy, but the Snap Store itself is very laggy. So if you try to update any Snap application via the Snap Store, it takes a hell lot of time. Better is to use the terminal to update the Snap and the Snap Store. So you have to use sudo snap refresh. That will update the Snap Store as well as it will update the Snap applications also, and it takes very little time as compared to updation of the snap store and snaps using the snap store. You can see lot many applications are available, and all the features of the software store that is there in the Linux Mint 22.2 is available in the LMDE 7. Firewall is there, documentation is available, so you can check it out. Everything is there, whatever the user needs, new user needs, or even a accomplished user also needs. Yes, one thing, let us check out the different applets and everything, which applets are available. So if I just click here and refresh the cache, let us check out if all different applets that are available in the Linux Mint 22.2 are available here or not. So here you can see all the applets that are available in Linux Mint 22.2 are available here. So you got lot of choice. Everything is available here. Perfect. Okay. Now, what is extensions? Let us check out the extensions. You can see all the extensions that are available in Linux Mint 22.2 are available here. That's great. And the system also feels quite snappy. There is no lag here in the virtual machine also. Anything else is pending? Okay. Preferred applications, anything else? Yes, let us check out the backgrounds. So these are the traditional Linux Mint wallpapers. And this is from the Zara Linux Mint 22.2. So all wallpapers from Zara are available here in the LMDE 7. So all good looking wallpapers. I really like the Linux Mint wallpapers. Very beautiful looking wallpapers. So all are available here. If you want, I will just maximize it so you will get a better look. All wallpapers are there from the Linux Mint 22.2 in the LMDE 7. Okay, so I think the Linux Mint team has done a great work. It has updated the LMDE 6 to 7 with the latest Debian Trixie base. And Debian Trixie base, as you know, it is quite updated. Absolute packages are all removed. Only the working packages are there, and lot of software, new software as well as updated software is available. The language, that is the coding language base, and everything is totally updated. It is shiny new, and in some cases the packages available in Debian are more updated than what is available in the Ubuntu. So you got a very good deal here. With the LMDE 7, you get all the features and advantages of Linux, Linux, that is the Debian Trixie, and as well as you get the goodies and features of Linux Mint. So if you want to use Linux Mint and also enjoy the Debian Trixie, you have to use the LMDE 7. It is an amalgamation of two Linux distributions. A great work done by Linux Mint team, and I thoroughly congratulate them, and they should keep up the good work. I think the Linux Mint team should now shift over to Debian base only, and they should stop using the Ubuntu base. Debian is very good, and they can also migrate the Ubuntu features, Ubuntu based Linux Mint features like the kernel installer and everything, which is not available in right now in the LMDE 7. That should be included in the LMDE 7, and they should stop the Ubuntu base. I think Debian makes much more sense because it is far more stable, and it is you can say it is not a nightmare for new users. It's very stable, and the users can use it, and professionals especially can be more safe using Debian than Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution. especially the rolling releases ones, because there is every once or twice a year there can be some issue with the installation. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.